Today's open house is really geared to make everyone aware that we have moved to Holtsville. We're now located at 1150 Portion Road in Holtsville, and we're looking to let the community and all the different agencies know that we're here.
The YMCA of Long Island is for youth development, healthy living, and social responsibility. And this Family Services Division branch packages all of that in together in a different way that our other full-service branches with swimming pools and childcare can't offer. This does anti-bullying, parenting classes, prevention and treatment, and it catches another segment of the population.
Today at the open house, we're looking to have a variety of different people attend. We have the Town of Brookhaven supervisor will attend. We have different people in the community that will be attending, plus some of our funders who are county and state level, and also looking to have people who refer clients to us. So probation, CPS, AFI, all sorts of different agencies that will be referring clients.
The goal for today was to network with the community, let the community know that we are here, that we have lots of services. We do substance abuse counseling, prevention services for community members, youth. We go into schools, do Too Good for Drugs and Too Good for Violence. But again, the goal for this open house today is to let the community know that we're here and we have lots of services to offer.
At the YMCA, CASACs provide treatment to people who have substance abuse addictions. And they enter our groups. They have individual counseling, we have anger stress management, and we try to help people change behaviors that, and to live a drug and alcohol-free life.
I run groups during the week, and I do individual counseling. I do intake assessments and ongoing assessments, encompassing psychosocial, legal, social issues, various issues.
As the billing manager, I am responsible for meeting with our patients, processing their Medicaid and their claims for their services here at the YMCA. I also work with the patients that have financial hardships to assist them in lowering their fees so that it's more affordable to get treatment and care.
So some of the programs that we have here at the YMCA Family Service Branch are addiction services, so anything from regular recovery groups to a women's track, to a DWI track, to anger management, stress management, vocational education type of track. Different programs like a modified IOP where we're looking at the whole self, so we're looking into nutrition, health care and things of that nature, as well as their sobriety. So we have several different types of things, plus the individual counseling and family counseling.
At the Y, my job entails anything my boss really deems necessary, which is run all over the island at our full-service branches and also our family service branch, overseeing the operations, budgeting, staffing, member service, and treatment prevention services.
Today we are trying to showcase all the activities that we will be offering for the community, and we support the programs and local school districts by providing prevention programs and education.
So in our prevention program, we have not only school-based programs where we go into the school districts and are in part of the classes, but we also have different seminars that we do in the community on gambling, on heroin, on anti-bullying.
So as the prevention director, I provide services to the community and local school districts. We go into the schools and provide programs such as Too Good for Drugs and Too Good for Violence, which are evidence-based programs. These programs are interactive lessons that are age-appropriate, which have a parent component, so the parents can interact with their children in a positive way.
Prevention in itself is so important just because young students need to know about this. They have family members, brothers, sisters, moms, dads, anyone having problems. They know about it. It's not a secret to them, and they should be educated to know what not to do, that there's resources out there to help them.
Prevention is so important because it starts, getting into the schools at a young age so that children can learn about the different things that are out there, what to stay away from, making healthy choices. And the hopes is that that we don't see them on the other end in the mandated population. And some of these children have things that are going on in their family and nobody else to talk to. And we come into the schools, the prevention department, and they are open to speaking to these kids. And sometimes it's the first person that they actually have in their life that is understanding and willing to talk to them about this disease on a level that they can understand and guide them in the right direction.
We do a big program during the summer where we try and hit different town camps as well as YMCA camps that really teach the kids all the way from kiddie camp, which are 4-year-olds, all the way up to our CITs, counselors in training, and also staff on anti-bullying.
Prevention is so important because it gives children the skills that are going to help them be strong and resilient throughout their life.
And then thirdly, our diversion program is really focused on youth counseling to kind of help children give that support when maybe there's a divorce or anxiety or some kind of family issue that they need support in.
It was very important for me to be here today to support the Y in their new location. They do excellent service for adolescents and adults and in the community. The Y has always been there and part of the Long Island community servicing the various needs, and their services are unmatched.
It's important to have an agency in the community like the Y so that people who need resources will have somewhere close by to go. We're experiencing a heroin epidemic right now on Long Island. It's very important to have treatment services right there so that they have some place to turn.
A lot of people that come to the YMCA don't really know that we have a facility that offers substance abuse counseling or counseling services for people that are, suffering from various issues or stressors within their lives.
For the past 20 years, I've been doing this job, and I've seen the results of what we've been working with the children and their families to promote positive, healthy living skills.
The mission of the YMCA is really about healthy living, social responsibility, and youth development. The programs we offer here meet all of those needs, which is a healthy lifestyle, youth development and creating good leaders in the community, and social responsibility, helping those who are in need.
Working with the Y is better than any other job I could imagine. It's changing people's lives. It's really getting in there, making a difference, and the whole community benefits.